Wow. 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 Yeah, that's right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's for Daddy. That's for Daddy. Yeah, that's for Daddy. Can I open it? Can I open it? Here, look and see what else in there. Look. Yeah. It's all nicely wrapped. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. What's that? Yeah, wow. Wow. What else you got in there? Oh, wow. Look, you got you a book. Mm-hmm. Oh, got you a Bible. Yeah, that's right. A Bible.
A book.
Mm-hmm. A book. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Anything else? A book? Mm-hmm. Hide and seek. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That is. There's something else in there. One more thing. Look.
What?
There's one more thing over there. Look.
What?
Ooh, what's that? Oh, wow. Ooh, that's perfect. A sweater. That's it. That's all that's in there. Oh, this sweater is perfect. It's being cold. Mm-hmm. So good job. So what you gonna play with first? Okay, getting all that out the way. So what's your favorite? What's your favorite? The chips or the sweets? That's your favorite?
Only my apple.
What you want?
The apple?
Open. You want me to open? Why? What if I don't want to?
No.
Hmm?
The apple.
Okay.
The apple.
You want to open? You want some?
Same.
Alright, I'll get you some in a minute. Alright, we'll open it up. Okay, say hola. Hola. Say hola, Amanda. One more time. Hola, Amanda. Say gracias.
Oh, Nini.
Yeah, say gracias. Say mucho gracias.
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. Say bye-bye. Wait.
Bye.
Okay.